Changing your Wi-Fi password using the Xfinity app is straightforward to secure your home network. First, ensure you have the Xfinity app downloaded and logged in with your Xfinity account credentials. Now tap the Internet or Xfi tab, then select your modem or gateway device. From there, navigate to Wi-Fi settings or security. Here, you can modify your Wi-Fi password, also known as the passphrase. For a strong password, aim for at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Save the changes, and remember that all your connected devices will temporarily disconnect, requiring you to reconnect them using the new password. This process assumes you are using the Comcast Xfinity app to manage Xfinity gateways. If you are using Rogers Ignite app to manage Rogers services, the process is similar, but done through the My Wi-Fi section of the Ignite app. Beyond just the password, the Xfinity app also allows you to manage your SSID and security protocols. Your SSID is the name devices see when searching for a Wi-Fi network, and you can customize it within the app under Wi-Fi name. Changing it can add a layer of security by making your network less easily identifiable. As for security protocols, the Xfinity app supports WPA2 and WPA3. WPA3 is the latest and most secure option, offering better encryption against brute force attacks compared to the older WPA2. When setting up a new network or updating your security settings, the app will recommend WPA3. It's crucial to keep these security measures up to date, as weak passwords or outdated protocols leave your network vulnerable to cyber threats. The Xfinity app simplifies managing these critical aspects of your home network security, putting control directly in your hands. Keep your Xfinity app updated to version 11.0 Plus for the best functionality and security enhancements.